Tra la la tra la tra la.
Hello, this is Jack Foley and welcome to my bike check. As most of you probably know, my newest sponsors Atta Clothing. They do vests, hoodies, hats, iPhone cases, everything. They've just released the summer 2013 range. This is taken from the range, hooking me up every week. Really fresh gear. Go and check them out. I wear the Odessa Alcatraz shoes in blue and grey. Sarah at Odessa and Dom are always hooking me up with fresh shoes. I love the Alcatrazes because they're super strong, really firm, and they're really cheap as well compared to Nikes. They hold up twice as good. Just bearing in mind, kids, that Nikes aren't built for riding in, Odessas are. They're not going to rip, tear and fade on you. I'm running the Fit Eddie Cleveland grips, super thin, really good for bar spins. 34R clitter lever in red, complete with cables, gyro plate and detangler. I'm also running the aftermarket Mafia bike bars. They're 28 inch wide by 8.5 high. Cut them down from 29 to get quick bar spins. I'm running the 34R stem with tie bolts on the front but not on the back due to strength issues. I'm also running the 34R headset. Picked up all the 34R parts really cheap from Worlds. I thought I'd try them out. As for the forks, I'm running the Alone Sporks. I bought them 2 years back and they've held up ever since. Running the Profile Elite hub with red anodised spokes, an Alienation Stay Strong rim that never ever bends on me, a KHE Mach 2 tyre and Bone Death pegs. Running the Total BMX all-in-one combo seat, really light for weight reduction and super strong. Run my seat quite high to clamp for bar spins. I'm also running a McNeil Witten 2012 frame. It's quite an old frame but really short and really light, really like it. Thought to get another one. I'm also running the Demolition brake calipers and I've got the built-in bearings, really smooth on the brake, along with proper bridge, whatever it's called. I'm also running the 34R crank disc. I've gone up from 25 to 28 till as soon as I'm starting to pedal a lot quicker on jumps. I'm also running the Profile racing cranks with tie axle and tie bolts, along with Fatality chrome pedals. Brought these pedals a year back for 50 quid, and they've been the best money I've ever spent. Moving on to the back wheel, I'm running a Profile Elite back hub, standard driver and bolts for strength. I'm running an Alienation Stay Strong rim, double walled, anodised red spokes with KHE Mach 2 tyres, and of course an inner tube and a dust cap. Can't forget the dust cap. And that is my bike check. Let's go and ride.